this smoothie bowl, you're going to need some frozen bananas, some dragon fruit chunks. I get these from Target. The Good and Gather brand is a really great brand for frozen fruit. And then I get these mango chunks and pineapple chunks from Trader Joe's. And then all of these other things are toppings. You can top it off with anything you'd like. I'm using some apple juice from Trader Joe's, but you can also use some non-dairy milk if of your choosing, and then just again any toppings that you'd like. I'm using some almond butter from Trader Joe's, chia seeds, hemp seeds, cacao nibs, and some raspberries, and then I'm also going to add some kiwi. As you can probably tell, because I dropped a lot of the toppings over on the other side of the bowl, I am not left-handed, I am right-handed, but because of how the camera was positioned, I ended up using my left hand to kind of pour all of the toppings into the bowl. So it was a little bit challenging, but we made it through. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today is a little bit more laid back. I am doing a what I eat in a day, being plant-based and or vegan. I mentioned in my last video that I recently transitioned back into a vegan lifestyle. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video, get to see a little bit of what I eat in a day being vegan, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It is now lunchtime, and as you can see, I have some things out already. So I'm going to be making some spring rolls right now for lunch. They are very colorful, so they're fun to make, but they're also very filling and really good. I'm going to pair it with a peanut sauce, and I'll show you all how to make that as well. So let me show you all the ingredients that you'll need. This is a quick overview of all of the ingredients that you'll need for the rice paper rolls. You can really add anything that you'd like, but today I am going to be adding so first you're gonna need the rice paper rolls, of course, and then I go ahead and add in some vermicelli noodles. I get these two at my local Asian market, and then I add inside some purple onion, some lettuce. I usually add in like not the end parts of the lettuce, but that's why I'm going to also be adding in some arugula because I don't have any more lettuce. Some purple cabbage, carrots, cucumbers. I'm obsessed with these right now. Some chives, mint, some avocado, and then I'm also going to be adding some hemp seeds inside the rolls, as well as some sesame seeds. I also usually add mushroom, but I don't have that this time around. And then for the sauce, you're going to have add in some peanut butter, some sesame seeds. I'm using coconut aminos, but you can also use soy sauce or any type of alternative that you might think would be a good idea, and some water. So I'll show you all how to make that afterwards, but let's go ahead and get started with our rolls. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and add in the noodles into some boiling water that I have here on the side so that I can quickly cook them, because they literally take about 6 minutes, so it's very fast. Quick disclaimer that I am not a nutrition expert. I am not a vegan expert. Excuse me. I am just sharing with you all what it is that I eat in a day being vegan, what has worked for me in the past and what's working for me now. I am in no way telling you that you should be vegan, because we all have different body types. I personally do it for health reasons and personal reasons, and then there are other reasons that are just a bonus. But you know, I'm not necessarily here telling you that you should be vegan, but if you are considering implementing some vegan recipes throughout your day, or maybe some smoothies or smoothie bowls, you know, these are some fun recipes. These are some good things to add into your daily eating habits if you would like to, but always also check in with your body and also check in with your doctor if you feel the need to do so. This is everything that I am adding into the roll. It's actually pretty quick to do this and to pick up. One thing you can also do is just chop up a lot of these vegetables and just have them in your fridge ready to go, which is usually what I have done in the past, but right now it's obviously not like that. I had to cut everything up, but you could chop up as much as you want and then just keep it in the fridge, and then when it's time to make your rolls, it's super quick and super simple. So I do want to say that what I eat in this video is not a full reflection of what I eat on a daily basis or even on a weekly basis. So sometimes I eat very healthy and very balanced, and then some other days I don't eat as balanced. But when I look at it on a larger span, like a week or a month, everything is pretty balanced and no protein is not a problem. I do eat a lot of like nuts and almond butter and peanut butter, for example, here, so I definitely get in all of my protein and a lot of my other nutrients, and I do track this using a application called Cronometer. So I just wanted to throw that out there while I also show you all here on the screen how I am making the peanut butter sauce for the spring rolls. Here is my lunch, and I'm not even trying to make it like super pretty because I'm super hungry, but you get the point. Just some spring rolls. I cut them in half to eat them easier, and some peanut sauce. Yum! You can always change the consistency of the peanut sauce by adding more water, or also if you want to change the consistency and also add in a little bit more salty flavor, then you can add in more soy sauce or more coconut aminos, whatever you like. I like mine in this consistency and it tastes really good, so I'm using a little spoon to kind of just scoop it on there. And then something else is that I use a chunky peanut butter, so it has pieces of peanut in here. Whereas if you would prefer it to be super smooth, then I would encourage you to get the creamy peanut butter rather than the crunchy one. Had I had like the creamy one, I would just add in pieces of peanuts because I have peanuts as well, but I don't add peanuts in here because it already has peanuts. It's chunky. So yeah. I also wanted to show you all my pantry. This is what we have. Some of our staples are hemp seeds, as you've already seen, some granola here, chia seeds, we have some coffee. My partner has a label maker that has honestly saved my life because I love to use it for things that I don't necessarily know right away what it is, because I have, for example, brown sugar back there. Why is this not focusing? But then I also have coconut sugar up here, so those have labels. And then up here I have some more like lentils and pasta, nuts and cereals. And down here are usually the things that I use the most. This is of course my favorite section. I have some cacao powder back there, and then I also have some almond flour back there. I have never cooked with barley, but I want to make something with barley, so I got some organic barley because it was on sale at Whole Foods. And then of course some dates, because you can make a lot of desserts and snacks with dates. It is about to be 7:30 and I'm getting a bit hungry, so I also do not want to eat so late. So I'm just going to have 2 tacos. I'm going to show you all what I use to make my tacos de chorizo, because I really love this chorizo that I use. So let me show you all. These are the ingredients that I'm using. I apologize for this. This is the soy chorizo by Trader Joe's. It is the best chorizo. I've tried so many different kinds, vegan kinds, and this is the best one. So it looks like this because all of the oil is just like coming out. But this is also good for like breakfast if you scramble it up with some tofu. And then I love these corn and wheat tortillas from Trader Joe's as well. They taste like hechas a mano or handmade. And then some of my mom's salsa. My partner went to get some tacos like 2 days ago, and so we have some leftover onion and cilantro here. And then instead of avocado or guacamole, I'm going to add in this lime cilantro hummus from Whole Foods because I don't want it to go to waste, but also because this has more protein than an avocado would, I believe. So yeah, it has 5 grams for a serving, which is a lot more than avocado, I think. So I'm just gonna add this in here, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. These tortillas are hands down the best tortillas that you can get store-bought because they taste like hechas a mano, or made by hand. I've never said that in English, but hechas a mano. So these are the best tortillas. I get them from Trader Joe's, and I believe it comes with about 8 to 10 of them for like maybe $2. So in comparison to like our local Mexican markets, it's the same price, but you get so much less, but it's so worth it. So definitely try these out if you haven't done so already and you have access to a Trader Joe's close by. Hey friends, so I just wanted to hop on here real quick and just announce the giveaway winners. So I did announce the giveaway 2 weeks ago here on my channel, and so many of you participated, so I just want to say thank you all so much for doing that and for supporting my channel and for watching my videos, and most importantly participating in the giveaway. So I did go ahead and collect all of the comments from the last 2 videos on my channel, which are the same video, but there are 2 different versions because one is in English and one is in Spanish. So I did go ahead and collect all of those comments, and then I input them into an online generator that would randomly pick a winner. And so the winner is, drum roll please, the winner is Jennifer's Vlogs. So thank you all so much for participating, and congratulations, Jennifer. I will be getting in contact with you. But thank you all for supporting my channel. I really wish I can give you all a little something for just supporting me and for engaging with my channel. But for now, I just want to say thank you, and hopefully in the future I can do an even bigger giveaway for you all. So look out for that, and again, thank you. Alright friends, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my what I eat in a day plant-based vegan edition, and once again congratulations to the giveaway winner. Thank you all for participating and also for supporting my channel. I'll see you all next time. Bye!